Hello everyone. Let's look into today. We will look into another DAX measure, DAX function selected value. So let me first go through what what this function does. At its core, the selected value function is handy DAX formula. Essentially, it returns a single scalar value when a column has only one value selected. However, if there is no selection or if multiple values are selected, it can optionally return an alternate result. Uh, let's look into that. What actually it does. Like today, we'll create a small visual where we will try to see how this function help us. Okay. So here we have I created a visual where there is a customer and there are states. Let's remove these. Let's say we have the orders, uh, order ID. This is our visual, and it's a tabular visual, matrix visual. So we'll see how we use this DAX function here. You see, we have these uh, order IDs and total sales. We want to show which states these orders belongs to, right? This is let me show you the data model. This is our data set. This is order ID. This is a state, and each order ID belongs to one state. One order cannot go to more than two different states. So if I want to show the which state this order ID belongs to, I can add state column. If I add the state column, you see we have this kind of the way that's how it looks like. We have all the states going on the top. That's not what we want. We want in another row where it shows order ID, row, state, and the total sales of that order, right? So let's take the state to order ID. But you see now we have this plus sign, and then it says that order belongs to Pennsylvania. That's not. Also, I don't want that. I want this separate column. So in order to create this column, we have to create a measure for this state, right? Let's remove that. Try to create a measure state. DAX DAX, and we want to show the state. You see now we cannot have the state. It's not shown here. So we cannot basically we cannot show the states simply. We need to use some function here. So the function we will use is create this states function. States is equal to, first we have to write if slash not is empty. What our data set is, if data set is not empty, comma, then we will use then we will use selected value selected value. Now we can see that this is available here. Now I can use this state function. You see, now we have these states column appearing here. States. That is the formula which we created. States is equal to, if not empty, this table. If this table has values, then show then selected value DAX state. That's how we can use this selected value state. So we can create a measure for the state, and then we can use this measure here. You know. Now see, we have this states measure here. If we use measure without state, if we use the this states column without a measure, simply use this one. Then we have to put it here, which we already say that we don't want that. See, this doesn't look nice. We want this in a simple column here, so we can remove this one. And now we have a states column, total sales, order date, order ID, and so basically that's how it works. That is one of the way we can use selected value function, is very handy in using uh, because each order belongs to one state. It cannot happen that one order goes to different states. This is not the business model here. So we can use this formula, this handy formula. So he returns single scalar value when columns has only one selected value. Okay, so that's it for the selected value column, selected value function, and I thought it's very useful function. It has a variety of other ways we can use it in a different dashboard, different kind of scenarios. But today I thought that one of the way where I was facing difficulty to utilizing states column, uh, so I use the selected value function and achieve my objective of creating this visual: order ID, total sales, and the state. So thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe.